How to move the taskbar icons towards the left in your Windows 11 computer. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can move the taskbar icons towards the left hand side of the taskbar in your Windows 11 PC. So as here you can see that in my taskbar all of the icons are currently aligned towards the center of the screen rather than towards the left hand side of the taskbar. So if you wish to move the centrally aligned icons to move towards the left hand side of the taskbar, then you need to follow the steps listed out in this video very carefully. So basically, the first thing that you need to do is simply right click onto this start button, and from here simply choose settings. Then this will open the settings of your Windows 11 computer. Then under the settings you need to click onto this personalization tab on the left. Under the personalization you need to simply scroll and you can see this option of taskbar. This includes taskbar behaviors and system pins. So simply click onto the taskbar, and under the taskbar you will find the required setting to change this particular thing of icons. So you can also access the same particular page by simply right clicking onto the taskbar. So if you right click onto the taskbar, you can see this option of taskbar settings. So simply click onto the taskbar settings and you will be landed onto the same page. Now from here, the next thing that you need to do is click onto this taskbar behaviors. Taskbar alignment, badging, automatically hide, and multiple displays. So simply click onto the taskbar behaviors, and from here you can see the first option that says taskbar alignment. As here